Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to start Rush Kickoff Mode, which is the new mode introduced in this game. Firstly, let's select Kickoff. Select Rush, confirm, select your side, team, kit. Now we can perform team management. As you can see, this match is 5 versus 5. Start match.
Howdy everyone and welcome. I'm Fernando Palamon. Thanks for joining us here at the FC Rush Stadium. The atmosphere is electric. We can only expect a classic. This is Rush. Beautiful challenge. That attack has just been cut out. The counter could be on in this one. This attack looks threatening. Watch out. Could be a real chance here. Amazing save by the keeper, but the ball's still up there. Oh, it was so close, but you could see what they were trying to do. Cut it out to build up well here. Well, there you have it. They have cleanly regained possession. Nicely done. They broke it down in the middle of the park. What are they doing to just get the ball away? That's a great stop by the keeper.
That's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.